How to avoid accidental knitting increases. Have you ever counted your stitches at the end of a row and found you've mysteriously got an extra one? In this video, we'll show you one of the ways knitters can accidentally increase a stitch and how to avoid it. When the first stitch of your new row is a knit stitch, your yarn tail should be at the back of your project. Be careful how you move your yarn to the back of your work. You'll see here, if we lift the yarn tail like this over the left needle, it creates what looks like a stitch and can be accidentally knitted in your next row. To avoid this, bring your yarn to the front, then under the left needle towards the back. We are now ready to knit into the first stitch without accidentally increasing our stitch count.